three types
Okay.
of potential quarterly sales tax, or quarterly taxes. So payroll tax is generally done quarterly. At the state level, depending on how much unemployment you are required to remit, determines your payment frequency. So you could have payroll taxes that are quarterly. Now, if you're an S corporation that doesn't pay yourself an officer salary, okay, and you have to pay individual quarterly taxes, that could be a quarterly tax that you have to pay on the income from your business, just so that you're not getting hit with this whopping tax bill at the end of the year. And certain states allow you to pay quarterly sales tax. So when they're talking about, do I have to pay quarterly taxes? I say, okay, well, which quarterly taxes, what
Right.
quarterly taxes are you referring to? There's three different potential kinds of quarterlies. So really, really important that they speak with someone that knows what they're talking about, that wants to understand their business so they can keep them in compliance and still provide them with guidance so they're not just paying all of this money that maybe they don't even need to be paying.
That's right. And when you say that there's an option with the quarterly, I'm assuming by you saying that there's also options for maybe monthly or yearly, or is it just that that's how it's set up?
I have a lot of clients that they like to, instead of paying quarterly individual tax payments, your estimated tax payments, the IRS calls them, instead of paying estimated quarterlies, what they like to do is have an automatic withdrawal come from their personal account to their account at the IRS on a monthly basis, because they are having a cash flow issue. So I don't recommend doing that, but you can elect to have, if I say your quarterly estimated taxes are $3,000 each quarter. If they want to break that down and do it monthly instead, we could set them up so that they would be able to do that monthly. But I'm a huge proponent of keeping cash infused in your business and letting your CPA do the work and making sure that they're on top of what your tax liability is.
The content on Minding Your Business is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as specific legal advice. This show discusses general legal issues affecting business owners. Opinions of the guests are not necessarily that of the show. If you need assistance with your specific legal issue, please consult with a licensed attorney.